Alright guys, here it is, completed, the 1971 Ford F100 made by Moebius Models. I was able to weather this truck to make it look somewhat like the truck that I actually own, the real F100. I'll show you a picture of that. It was a lot of fun building this kit. It's a lot of fun when you get to weather a kit, when you get to take one and make it look old. You don't have to make it look perfect. So I'll just take a few minutes and show you a few things about this. Obviously the rusting, I had my previous video on this truck showed how I did the effect of rust and how I weathered it. I'll take the camera here now. Let me take a few seconds and show you around the truck. So I took and weathered it, as I was saying. I dirtied it up, rusted it up, tried to make it look as real as possible. My truck actually has a toolbox on the back. I did look for a resin toolbox, couldn't find one that was in stock. I found some that were not in stock, and anyway, if I do ever get that, I'll add it to the truck just to give it that more realistic look. But this truck was really neat. First Moebius kit I've ever put together. I was able to weather it up though. Make it look, like I say, as close as possible to my old beat up truck. My truck's really worn out. It's a 1971 truck. It's old. But this truck was a lot of fun. The same hubcaps, the same long wheelbase as mine. Did on the previous video also, and I said how the chrome didn't look really good on the kit, so I decided to, instead of putting the chrome on the side of it like the kit had, I painted the chrome. I just taped it off and I painted the chrome. Seemed to come out a little bit better to me personally. Around the windshield, instead of making the edge of the windshield chrome or some of the trucks, the fancier packages would have had chrome. My truck just has a rubber window seal, so I painted that black. The interior of the truck, and I'm not sure how good you're going to be able to see in here, but the interior of the truck turned out real well. The automatic transmission, I think this truck would have had a 3-speed because it shows it gives you it puts a clutch in, so the third pedal. So there's the seats. The engine I was able to weather up, and I was really satisfied. Again, on the film, I'm not sure if you're going to be able, it's really going to do justice to see the weathering, but I was able to get it in, got the plug wires on. Plug wires turned out great. I made a new distributor. I'll have a little short clip of the engine and weathering. The camera just doesn't do justice to detail sometimes. I'm not bragging on myself. I redid the distributor. So remember, the distributor was terrible. It was just the black wires that I had put on it were sticking up everywhere. That they wouldn't lay down. I tried to get them to go into place. They would not. So I went and made a new distributor. Got the wires run. Black washed the transmission. It's not mounted. It's just sitting on here. Got it black washed, dirtied it up, oil, oil splatters and things like that. Just try to make it not look like a little toy. But I have it all together. This truck has a 390. My truck is a 351 Windsor, but who cares? It looks good. The truck turned out great. I'll turn it around, let you see the other side and the rear. But yeah, turned out good. Turned out really good. Was able to weather the bottom of the truck as well and dust it up a little, make it look like it's been driven, make it look like it's gone down a bunch of roads, oil leaks, everything about it. But the truck turned out great. I'm really happy with it. I'm really glad I got to build it. Thank you to my friend David who bought it for me for Christmas. And I hope you guys enjoyed the build. Maybe you learned a little something. Maybe you can weather one up, make it look rusty, make it look worn, battered, beaten, just real. How about that? Well guys, thanks for watching. And again, I hope you enjoyed the Moebius 1971 Ford Ranger F100 pickup truck build, weathered, beat up, real life. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment. See you next time.